Hi students, in this video we go for a revision of FA2 Unit 3 and 4 and we start from question 1E MCQs. Number 1, tick the name of a game in which you have to run. Here options are given to you that you have to tick on the game that in which we have to run, यानी जिसमें दौड़ना पड़े ना ऐसी गेम का यहाँ पे नाम होगा तो आपको उस पर टिक करना है. The answer is cricket. Number 2, tick the opposite word of up. We have to tick the opposite word of up. It is down. Number 3, with whom Nasiruddin was chatting. Means Nasiruddin जो है वो Nasiruddin जो है वो किसके साथ चैटिंग कर रहे थे? आंसर फ्रेंड्स. Now we go for next. Number 4, what excuse had given by Nasiruddin when the arrow did not hit the target at first time. जब एरो ने फर्स्ट टाइम टारगेट हिट नहीं किया तो नसरुद्दीन ने कौन सा एक्सक्यूज, कौन सा बहाना दिया? आंसर, इट वॉज आजाद्स एम. इट वॉज नॉट माई एम, इट वॉज आजाद्स एम. नंबर 5, हाउ मैनी टाइम्स नसरुद्दीन गॉट अ चांस टू हिट द टारगेट? आंसर 3. नंबर 6, व्हाट शॉर्ट ऑफ अ बॉय इज डिस्क्राइब्ड इन द पोएम वाई. वाई जो पोएम है उसमें बॉय का कौन सी टाइप का बॉय यहाँ पे हमें दिखाया गया है? आंसर, क्यूरियस. बहुत वो जिज्ञासु है, बहुत उसको जानने की इच्छा है, ऐसा है वो बॉय. नाउ वी गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट. नंबर 7, व्हाट डज सिंक बिहाइंड द हिल्स. मीन्स हिल्स के बिहाइंड क्या डूब जाता है? आंसर, द सन. नंबर 8, द रैबिट हैड डैश. आंसर, पिंक आईज. नंबर 9, द रैबिट वॉज वेयरिंग अ डैश कोट. आंसर, ब्लू. Number 10, who fell down and down and down? Answer, the rabbit. So these are 10 MCQs of Unit 3 and 4 and now we go for question 1B, true and false. And here are true or false. Number 1, in the poem Run, the poet tells us to run in the city. Because it is false because in the poem Run, the poet tells us to run away from the city, not in the city. Number 2, Mary Daunt is the name of the poet of poem Run. Run जो poem है उसके writer है, उसके poet है वो कौन है? Mary Daunt. So it is true. Number 3, Nasiruddin's friends started clapping for him. It is false because Nasiruddin's friends laughed at him when his target not when he missed his target. So it is false. Number 4, according to Nasiruddin, the second aim was the chief guard's aim. It is true. When his arrow didn't hit the target, then second time, then the Nasiruddin give excuse that it was the chief guard's aim. So it is true. Now we go for the next. And number 5 is in the poem Why, the poet says that some of these questions asked by the little boy are not difficult to answer. पोएम जो वाई पोएम है उसमें पोएट बताते हैं कि कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे हैं जिसके आंसर देना वेरी इजी है, डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. तो इट इज ट्रू. नंबर 6, द बॉय वांट्स टू नो दैट व्हाई द क्लाउड्स क्रॉस द ग्राउंड. इट इज फॉल्स बिकॉज द क्लाउड्स क्रॉस द स्काई नॉट ground. So it is false. Number 7, the rabbit wore a blue waistcoat. It is false because the rabbit wore a red waistcoat, not a blue. Number 8, Alice followed the white rabbit. It is true. We can see in the story that Alice followed the white rabbit. Number 9, Alice saw a red rabbit. It is also false because Alice saw a white rabbit, not a red rabbit. Number 10, Alice stood up and saw a small door in the rabbit hole. It is true. We can see in the story that Alice खड़ी हो गई और उसने क्या देखा कि एक rabbit hole में एक small door था about 15 inches high. So it is true. Number 11, there were hot fountains in the garden. It is also false because there were cool fountains in the garden, not hot. So it is false. So these are true false of Unit 3 and 4. You have to repeat both the exercises, MCQs and true false in your notebook. And pending remaining exercises we will see in the next video. Thank you.